In this guide, you will learn how to turn on or turn off safe mode on any Android device. Safe mode enables all third-party apps which can be useful for diagnosing problems with your phone. To turn it on without using the power button, swipe up and go to Settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option Accessibility. Then select Interaction and Dexterity and turn on Assistant menu. After that, tap on it and use the arrow keys to find the power off menu. To enter safe mode, tap and hold the power off button, then press it again to restart your phone into safe mode. Alternatively, you can also hold the volume down and power buttons together to access the power off screen and restart into safe mode. Once your phone restarts, you will see safe mode in the bottom left corner and all third-party apps will be disabled. To exit safe mode, drag down in the notification menu and tap on the option to turn off safe mode. Then confirm by pressing restart. Alternatively, you can hold the side button to restart your phone, and once it restarts, all your apps will be back and safe mode will be gone. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.